Welcome back, dear students. So today we are going to start some new concept from a lesson percentage. Let's find out percentage of a given number or a given quantity. And these are questions which are related to our daily life questions, like someone says find 20% of rupees 100. So you need to find out such questions. So we'll first find 20% of 115. If suppose it is asked to find 20% of 115, then we know that, friends, 20%, it is there. 20% is what? 20 upon 100, which means 20 values out of 100. In general, if you know that x percent is there, so you can write x upon 100. That means x values out of 100. So here 20%, that means 20 upon 100, and here off work as a multiplication. So we'll do into 115. So just now do the calculation here. We can cut the zeros. Here we can go 5 2s are 10. And here, friends, you can go 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. And these 2 1s are 2 and these 2 1s are 2. You can cancel. And just you will remain with 1 into 23. So that is a 23. So here 20% of 115 is 23. Let's find out 9% of rupees 120. Suppose you need to find out 9% of rupees 120. So we'll again solve it 9 upon 100. Removing percent sign means in the denominator you need to give 100. And here we can take off, that is the multiplication operator, into 120. So just you need to cut this 0 and you can simplify here. You can cut here with the 2's divisibility. 2 5s are 10. And here you can go for 2 6s are 12. So friends, here you reach 9 6 are 54 upon 5. And 54 upon 5 is nothing but 1, that is 10.80. You can take here 5 1s are 5. And then next this 4 is smaller, so you can put a 0 here and then point. Then you can take, friend, 5 8s are 40. So rupees 10.8. So 9% of rupees 120 is what? Rupees 10.8. So now, friends, 17% of rupees, that the question over. Now 17% of 45 kilometer. So friends, here 17% of you need to take out of 45 kilometer. So you can take here, just multiply here 17 into 45, and then you can give decimal, like 17 into 45, you'll get a 765. So 765 upon 100. Now we know that in decimal division, removing the 100 from the denominator, that means you can give the decimal place. So you can write 7.65 kilometer. That means 17% of 45 kilometer is 7.65 kilometer. And here what I have done, I have done the decimal division. That means these are interchangeable form. If I want to remove this decimal, I can give 2 zeros in the denominator. And if I want to remove this 0, I can put the decimal after 2 place from the right hand side. So now, friends, now we need to express a quantity as a percentage of another. Like here given it is there, express 3 as a percentage of 20. So we need to represent this 3 as a percentage of 20. So first of all, you need to write down this 3 value out of 20. This 3 is a quantity, and this you need to represent as a percentage of another. That means this 3 upon 20, that is 3 out of 20, and in order to convert into percentage, just multiply by 100%. So friends, now you want to convert it, so just do it simplification. 300 divided by 20%. That is, you'll get here a 15%. You can get this 0, and here 230, and that is the 2 15s are 30 you can get here. So now you need to express this 3 by 4 as a percentage of 1 by 2. So in order to represent it as 3 by 4 out of 1 by 2, that means you need to divide it by 1 by 2. And then later on, in order to convert into percentage, we'll multiply these with 100%. So we need to take it 3 by 4, that is divided by 1 by 2. So we know that this division of fractions will take a first fraction as it is, then multiplication, and we'll flip or take a reciprocal of this 1 by 2. It becomes 2 by 1, and then we'll multiply it. So friends, here you can multiply and you can simplify here. 4 ones are here, 2 15, 25 are. Then just do the multiplication. 25 2s are 50 and 53 are, you can get 150%. So it is 150%. So now next question is, we need to write 25 paise as a percentage of rupees 1. So friends, first of all, this is a paise and this is rupees. I'll convert rupees into paise, that is 1 rupee is equal to, we know that is 100 paise. So now we need to get a required percentage, and required percentage is what? We need to convert this 25 as a percentage of rupees 1. So we'll write down 25, that is out of this 100 paise, and in order to get into the percentage conversion, we'll multiply it by 100%. So we'll cut this and directly we'll get a 25%. And here we have changed to the same unit. Compulsory we need to get into the same unit here. It is in paise, it is in rupees, so we have converted into the same unit. Then only we can go forward it. So now friends, next question is about to find out the whole using a given percentage. Means now we are giving the question of the particular percentage is given, but we need to find out what is the whole quantity here. Like here, find the number whose 19% is 95. So we don't know what is the required number, so we can consider like required number. You can consider here x, and we need to get this value of x. But given that according to the question, 19% of this x is what? 95%. This question statement we have written in the equation form. We don't know the whole quantity, but available data is that 19% of such whole number is 95. So now we need to solve this question. So we know that friend x is equal to, now send this 100 in this multiplication here. So it will come 19 multiplied by 100 upon 19. So here we'll send it into the, we'll flip that and we'll send it. So just you can take it 95 by 1. So 19 ones are, and here 19 fives are, you can cut, and here you'll get a 5 multiplied by 100. In the denominator 1 is there. So friends, we get a actual x value, that is x is 500. First we were unknown about that whole quantity. Now we got what is x, that is 500. So here required number we have considered x, and 19% of such required number is given to us. So according to that we have made an equation and we have solved. So now friends, we need to find out the number whose 16 by 3% is 3. So we don't know that number, so we'll consider it as a required number is x. So now 16 by 3% of this x is what? 3. So we'll first convert it into the improper. We'll get a 16 3s are 48 plus 2, 50 by 3. And that is percent, means 1 upon 100 you can take into x. Of operator is multiplication, is equal to 3. Now just we need to simplify it. We'll send it x is equal to 3 multiplied by this 3 into 100, and this divide by 50 into 1. Now friend, just cut it. 5 ones are here, you can get 5 twos are. So now friends, here you will get 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 divided by 1. So friends, we'll get a 18 value here. So the required number is 18 here. So friends, now we will see percent of increase or decrease. So friends, we know that a percent of change shows how much a quantity has increased or decreased in competition with you can say in competition with given quantity. So friends, here sometime the percentage is going to be increased, you can say it is reduced, or sometime the price of the of any commodity or any item is going to increase by particular amount. So you can find out that percentage change. You can say here percentage change is equal to, you need to write down the amount of increase, or the same you can write on here the amount of decrease, and you need to just divide it by the original amount. Whatever the original amount you will write here in denominator, and in order to find out its percentage you will just multiply it by 100%. So a percentage change you can find out by just taking the amount of increase, sometime it may be a decrease amount, and then you need to compare it with the original amount or the given quantity, and for a percentage you need to multiply it by 100%. So friends, percent of increase and decrease can be find out, but you need to make ensure that you need to check out whether it is an increase or whether it is in a decrease, and then you can compare it with the original one. So here given that what is a percentage decrease if a number reduces. So here reduces word given, and this reduces indicate that it is a percentage decrease, and we need to find out degrees. So percentage decrease you can find out just by writing a simple formula, decrease in a number, because here decrease value given, and we can compare it with the original number and just multiply it by 100. So here decrease given, first it was a 70, then it decreased and fallen to 42. So you can take 70 minus 42 and divided by the original was a 70, and you need to multiply it by 100%. So friends, here 70 minus 42 will get a 28 into 100. You will take here, just do it, 7 ones are 7 fours are. So here we will get a 4 into 10, that is a 40%. So here friends, this 40% is the percentage decrease, because the number value fallen from 70 to 40. So we have taken here the change in the value, that is it was 70 and then changed to 42. So its difference we have written, and then we compare to the original one, and finally we got a percentage decrease. So now friends, the next question is, if the price of a pen increases from rupees 50 to rupees 54, find the percentage increase. So first of all, in order to find the percentage increase, we need to write down again the formula. We'll write down whatever the amount of increase is here, and we'll compare it with the original value, or the you can say original amount we can take here. So we'll write down here original amount, and then we'll multiply it by 100%. So friends, here amount of increase here, first it was 50 and again it changed to 54. That means amount of increase is 4. Rupees 4 has increased because it was first 50, then you have added here 4 into it, and you will get a 54. So this 4 is here amount of increase. So we'll write amount of increase 4, and the original price was 50. So you need to write down it 50, and then you will multiply it by 100%. So here you can take here, so you'll get a 8%. So this 8% is a percentage increase. So now friends, sometime in the kind of percentage questions we have provided with a change by a given percent. Like for example, sometime a percent is provided to you and you need to perform a particular kind of change. Like here given increase rupees 60 by 6%. So we have directed to do the 6% increase in this amount. The given amount is 60 rupees given. So first of all, we need to find out amount of increase. An amount of increase is given that only increase it by 6%. So we'll get to know 6% of 60. Whatever this will come, we'll add into the 60. So 6% is 6 upon 100, of a 60 you will write here. So 6% of 60, friends, you will get here rupees 3.60. This is the amount of increase or increment. Now you need to add this amount in the 60. So finally after this we will get an increased amount. So increased amount is 3.60, and this you need to add in the original, that is rupees 60. So friends, here we'll get a rupees 63.60. So first was the amount 60 and we instructed to add a 6% of increment in that. So we first calculated 6% is how much? 3.60. That we need to add in this amount. So here increase amount is amount of increase plus the original one. So we have calculated here 63.60. So friends, just like we have increased by some amount, sometime we have given the percentage and we need to decrease by that percentage. So here given that decrease rupees 120 by the percentage 10%. So friends, here we need to find out amount of decrement. So we'll find out amount of decrease. That is, we need to decrease it by 10%. That means 10% off. We need to find out of rupees 120. So friends, 10% of rupees 120, whatever this will come, we'll subtract it from the original one. So here 10% is 10 upon 100 of rupees 120. So you'll just get at rupees 12. Now this decrease amount you need to subtract from the original one. So therefore you will get a decrease amount. Decrease amount is equal to, you can write original amount minus, you'll write down this decrease one. So original was 120 and now you need to decrease it by the percent, 10%, which is nothing but the 12. So directly you'll get rupees 108. So friends, here the next question is, what is the length whose 30% is 24 centimeter? So here we need to find out the whole quantity, that is length. So which is unknown. We'll write down length is equal to x centimeter. We have provided that 30% of this length is 24 centimeter. So we'll write down 30% of this length is 24. So we need to find out the actual length. It's part given. So we'll write down 30% is 30 upon 100 and off will work as a multiplication here. So now x is equal to, friends, you'll get 24 multiplied by 100 upon 30. We'll leave this x alone and we'll shift this 30 upon 100 to this right hand side. So just we can cut it 3 ones and here we'll get 3 eights. So 8 multiplied by 10. So friends, we'll get here 8 into 10, that is 80 centimeter. That means the length is total 80 centimeter. And this length 30% is what? 24 centimeter.